I just heard the knock on the door. Let me go see what this is. What? Masks? Hold on, let me take these inside. Oh, that's so heavy. 24-pack children's face masks. Who's that guy? I bet he looks stupid. Child size, single use, 3 layers? 3 layers! Hold on, let me get this open really quick. I got it open, but there's only 2 masks in there. Rip off. But I'm gonna go look up how to wear these because these actually look pretty cool. My dad must have ordered them for me because it said children's mask and children's size. So yeah, I'm gonna go ask him and I'm gonna go look up how to wear them. So my dad taught me how to wear one, and he gave me one because I told him there was only 2 in the 24-pack, and so he gave me this one so I didn't have to waste. But then he said there was this thing called the cough, and it was a virus that's killing people. So now I'm just gonna wear this every time I see someone, or every time I'm around someone. And he did say that I have to stay 6 peeps away from everyone. So I don't really know what that means, but. Yeah, so I can't breathe in this thing. I'm hyperventilating. I have to take this off. Oh, air. I can breathe. All right. I'm gonna call Joseph and Cody over because I'm kind of bored. And I want to see what other stuff we can do with these masks because they look pretty cool. Yeah, guys. So my dad bought me like these masks. It said 24-pack, but it really came with 2. And then my dad showed me how to wear one, and yeah. Oh, you want to know why I bought these, or my dad bought these for me? Well, because he said there's this thing been going on for like a year now. It's called cough, and he said it started early March last year. Yeah, I know. I don't know how no one even said anything about it. I think it's just becoming big now. Yeah, guys, come over. Oh, you can't come over, Cody? Aw, dang it, that sucks. Joseph, you can though, right? Yeah, let's go, Joseph. All right, so I'll be waiting for you at the front door. Junior said I could come over, so let's see what he's doing. Junior, answer the door, dude. All right, I'm just gonna let myself in because something is up. He always answers the door, so I'm gonna let myself in and go to the table to see where he is because something is up. He always answers the doors, so I'm gonna go check on him. I'm gonna just break in like nothing weird about this, right? Middle of the day, nothing weird about this. Yeah, I'm gonna just go. I can't breathe in this thing, but I have to wear it because Joseph's coming over. Hey, dude! Joseph, back up 6 feet away. Oh, I'm sorry. Why do I have to be 6 feet away, though? Where's your mask at, Joseph? What do you mean a mask? I don't know what you're talking about. Put a mask on. Get out of here until you put a mask on. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. God, does he not know about this stupid cough that's going on? Jesus, put a mask on. When is Joseph gonna be back with his mask? Oh, I'm sorry, dude. Oh, why do I have to wear this mask again? Joseph, back up! Back 6 peeps. Oh, I'm sorry, dude. But don't you mean 6 feet, not 6 peeps? No, I know what my dad's talking about. 6 peeps, not feet. Sorry, dude. It's kind of weird how they would use peeps, right? Yeah, it is kind of weird. But let's be honest, nobody even likes peeps. Yeah, dude. I've never met someone who likes peeps. Like, do you like peeps? No, I don't like peeps. Do you? No. Do you even want to wear these stupid masks? Like, there's no point. Now let's just take them off. All right, let's go take them off. Dude, I can finally breathe now. I couldn't breathe with that thing on. Yeah, oh my God, I know, right? I couldn't even breathe with that on. Dude, that whole mask thing is like stupid though. Cause like we're not even gonna get sick. Cause aren't we turtles? We can't get sick. Oh yeah, that's right. We can only get like butt infections, I think. What the hell? Yeah, I think so. Let's cough in each other's mouths. Yeah, let's invade our personal privacy. No. This happens every single video. I don't know where Junior is. Where could he have gone? I was coughing in his mouth the whole time. Like we were just playing ping pong like where is he? This happens every single video and I don't. What the hell was that noise? I'm gonna go check it out. Something is up. Where has Junior been? Every single video, there's a different cutscene, and he's not in it. Oh no. There's a corner. I have to turn the corner though. What the hell? Why is there just a big red ball there? That was not there on my way to the table. Let me go investigate it. Night, Joseph. Oh, dude, I'm in so much pain. Junior, why would you do this to me? Oh, I can't even stand up anymore. Oh, my back hurts so bad. Oh, ow. Junior, this isn't the last of me. Ha, I got you so good, Joseph. Oh no, are you actually hurt? Oh no, I'm coming. Are you actually hurt, dude? Dude, I'm in so much pain. You hit my head, and then I went like this, boom. Ow, dude. I'm so sorry, Joseph. I'm super sorry. Please don't attack me. I'll go get you a Band-Aid. Dude, what's a Band-Aid gonna do? Well, it's gonna do something, Joseph. Oh no, I gotta go get him a Band-Aid. Perfect, 2 Band-Aids right here. I'm gonna get them real quick and give it to him. I'm gonna give Joseph his Band-Aid. Dude, I'm in so much pain. Shut up, Joseph. I'm coming with your Band-Aid. Dude, once again, what is a Band-Aid gonna do? Here's your Band-Aid, loser. I'm gonna get another one for his back, too. Here's your big one. Dude, what's a Band-Aid gonna do for the back of my neck? Shut up, Joseph. I got you another one for your back. Dude, what is that gonna do? Just put it on and see what it does. Okay, dude, I'm trusting you. Oh. Dude, I'm feeling a lot better now that the Band-Aid went on my back. I really feel I could run right now. I'm running so fast, dude. Joseph, you better be careful. They don't stick very well. I'll go check on him. I told him that would happen. Let me go check on him to see how he's doing. Dude, I think I might be dead. What are you yelling about? Dude, I think I might be dead, bro. I just launched all the way from over there on the ball, and then I landed over here on my back. Wow, where I got the Band-Aid. Good thing I got you that extra back Band-Aid. Yeah, dude, but Oh, it hurts so bad right now. Haha, get pranked, dude. It doesn't hurt. I just twerked on you. Aw, dang it, you got me so good. But you didn't twerk on me the way I want you to. What, dude? I'm going home, dude. No, Joseph, no, you can't take a joke. I guess I'll just play basketball on my hoop. I'm just gonna play on my hoop. I'm gonna try to dunk. See how I do. Oh, no way, I just made that. First try, I wish Joseph was here. Dang, I already miss him. Yeah, I'm sorry this video is very dry. It's just I'm the only person here right now. So I had to get a video out and it was kind of hard to make one. So yeah, this is all you got for today. But on the weekends, we're coming out with a banger. Because we're already in the making of a new video. But it's just we didn't get to finish it last weekend. So yeah, it's coming out this weekend. All right, see ya.